Hi everyone, it's Matthew here from the Skibbereen Food Company. Happy New Year to you all, and today I'm going to take you through how to make a homemade doner Turkish kebab. I really miss this kind of food when I used to live in the cities in New Zealand and Australia, so I'm going to take it into the home and we're going to show you how to make these lovely kebabs. I'll see you soon. So the first thing, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to marinate our chicken thighs, okay? So I've got some Greek yogurt and we've got some minced garlic. We've got all these lovely spices. We have cayenne, paprika, onion salt, cumin, coriander, and salt and pepper, and that goes straight in, okay? Then we get a squeeze of lemon, also, okay? Mind the pips. We're gonna get some tomato paste. Okay, and it's very similar to like the tandoori mix, okay? So we're gonna put that in, and we're also gonna put some olive oil, but today I'm using the Irish rapeseed oil. And there we go, now we mix this all around, okay? So guys, this is what you're looking for, okay? It's got a reddish yogurt kind of base, which we're gonna throw all the chicken in, and we're just gonna throw all the chicken in here, okay? And we're just gonna spoon that all around until it gets all marinated. Okay guys, our chicken's been marinating in our lovely marinade, and we've got a piping hot pan, and we're just going to put a little bit of oil. We're going to grab some of our chicken thighs that's been marinating. You need a hot pan, you need it sizzling, and it'll get some really good colour on it. And the chicken's been marinating now for about 2 hours. But what you can do is the night before. It is recommended to do this the night before, but I haven't. I've done it 2 hours, and it's perfect. So you get the pan nice and hot. You put the chicken thighs in and get a good colour on it. Okay guys, I've turned the chicken over. Got some good colour on it, and we're just going to put it in the oven. Okay guys, now we're on to our tabbouleh salad. Okay, and what I've done is just chopped up some parsley and a little bit of mint, okay? And what we're doing is we've got some concassao tomato that's going straight in there. We've got some chopped cucumber. We've got some also, the recipe says scallions, but I've got red onions in it, okay? And what we do is we finish with some lemon juice, okay, and some salt and pepper, and we're just going to put this there. But the main ingredient that we're using here to fill this is bulgur wheat, and the bulgur wheat has been just soaked. I haven't got a coarse bulgur wheat. When you're buying this, get a fine, and you're just boiling water out of the kettle, okay, and it soaks and it cooks itself, okay. And here it is here. I'm going to put some of this in, and this is the kind of stuff you see in the Turkish kebab stores when you go into them, okay? So we're going to mix this around, and here we have the finished tabbouleh salad. Okay guys, now it's time to assemble. We have our cooked chicken, okay, that's been marinated in that lovely spices. We have our tabbouleh salad, and we have our naan, or should we say wrap. We made our own, okay, but I won't go through that today. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with some lovely garlic mayonnaise. Okay, we're going to cut the chicken just like that into slices. We're going to throw that onto the naan there, or the cooked bread, and we're going to use the tabbouleh salad just a little bit, and we're going to finish with a bit more garlic mayonnaise and this hot sauce that we got. We only need a little bit because the chicken's quite hot. And what we're going to do, I'm going to put this into a wrap formation, okay, like you'd get a kebab down in the kebab shop. And we're just going to roll it, okay. And now you're supposed to put it in tin foil and, you know, off you go down the road, but I'm just going to do it like this, okay. And there we have it, okay. And there we have our lovely Turkish kebab. That's homemade, guys. So there we have it, guys. The Turkish kebab, doner kebab, made in your own home. I love it, guys. It's fantastic, and I really kind of miss this kind of food in West Cork. But hey, look, let's make it at home. We have all our produce and ingredients in our local supermarkets. Happy New Year again, and keep an eye out for more videos from myself and the Skibbereen Food Company. See you guys.